Hey guys, I'm Kyle. I'm a project manager with Volpe Enterprises, and this is our master bathroom suite in Ambler, PA. We remodeled the entire master suite, starting with new LVP flooring throughout. We work our way over to the new laundry area. This was originally a seating area. This wall never existed. We closed her off, put a new barn door slider in. We worked our way in and ended up putting new cabinets throughout, washer and dryer. We have our new linen closet here. This used to be a double-sided fireplace. Got rid of that completely, and now the homeowners have a new storage space. The biggest part of this transformation works our way into the master suite. This thing was completely gutted all the way down to the studs. Brand new drywall, brand new curbless entry, rain head, shower head, water jets, electronic control panel in the back, geometric tub, and even floating vanities throughout. And then we have a newer model, sort of Toto style toilet.